and welcome to Adventures with the Bullies. My name's Tommy and I'm here in a little village called Yaiza. I hope I'm saying that right. It's here in Lanzarote, one of the Canary Islands. It's just a really pretty little village that you can have a walk around or you can go have something to eat. I opted out just to have a nosy round and everything. Here you'll find the aloe vera museum as well, which is really popular with TUI. It's a free ticket to get yourselves in there, have a look at all the bits and bobs. I did have a quick nosy. It's really busy actually. It's got lots of products in there, so I'd recommend you go there, or you can have a bite to eat over there. In the background there you have got Timanfaya. Obviously it's a little bit further down, that's where we just come from. You'll notice that I'm wearing different clothes to Timanfaya. I did it twice, it was that good. I really recommend that you have a look around Lanzarote, all those little hidden gems and everything. It's a great destination to come to. But yeah, let's take a look now. But for now, adios.